today to have hernia surgery. Take you through step one on what it's going to be like. Supposed to take about 3 hours in the operating room for it to be done. Trying to get this thing over and done with. How they say, let's go. This is the pre-op room here. Right before they get everything started, IV started. Talk to the anesthesiologist. So, let's get this ball on the road. Let's get it. In a pre-op room to have hernia surgery done. It's supposed to be like a 3-hour procedure. Ready to get this over with. It's been paining me for the past few years. Should have had it done a long time ago. But I think now it's time, so. I'm ready. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome me, welcome you. Here today, I had the ventral hernia surgery repair done. A whole lot of sore. Not feeling too well. My cousin is doing the video. All this bedpan, my buttocks
now,
is
if you videotape, I'm going to have y'all leave now.
This is hours after my ventral hernia surgery. Everything went well. Just pain. I was back there for 3 hours. Whole lot of pain. Mouth swollen. I guess they had to put a breathing tube down there. They had to keep me overnight due to all the other health problems that I have as well. I just wanted to update you guys again on what was going on with me with the surgery. There's just a lot of other complications. I also developed clots. Blood clots. Have to be on blood thinners. Also, have to be watched right now with this surgery here, because a lot of people would like to know about ventral hernia surgery. Ventral hernia surgery with the mesh. The reason for the surgery is because I had a hernia that was trying to connect to my intestines, which causes you, if it connects to, it's a possibility that it will make you have feces coming out your mouth if it connects, because it would be only one way that your bowels can only come out, and that's through your mouth. If you begin to have your intestines connect to the hernia, if it begins to obstruct. Right now it is 9:04, and like I stated, I've been out of surgery now for quite a few hours. Surgery lasted once again for like 3 hours. Like I stated, just wanted to update you guys on what was going on. Hopefully I'll be able to go home tomorrow. But like I stated, I have other health issues that I do have. If you can tell here, you can tell that my mouth is swollen here and here due to the, like I stated, the breathing tube being put down. I don't remember anything going into the back operating room. The only thing I remember is getting.
Sharon, you're needed.
Alright.
You needed something for pain?
Yes.
Okay, so I got the hydrocodone one. Is that fine?
What is that?
Have you taken this before?
Yeah, they just gave me that not too long ago.
Oh, okay.
They said I'm supposed to have that. That's the Norco by Liquid.
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll see, because I know it's Q4 cylinder. We'll see. If not, I think there's something else in there. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I have your Keppra and then your Lovenox, okay?
Alright. Like I stated, just a whole lot of sort. Thank
Your other med, okay?
you. No problem.
So I can just give it to you all at once.
Alright. Well, the other medication is I'm sorry, I had to step away for a second. The other medication that they have to give is something called Dilaudid, which is the IV med, also for pain, and another one is called a Norco, which is a liquid Norco that they prescribe. Due to right now I can't swallow any pills, so they're giving me liquid Norco. The first time I've ever heard. I never had a liquid Norco before. Thus far, the staff has been great throughout the surgery. I did come into a bit of problems in the beginning of the surgery due to the fact of, like I stated, me having pulmonary embolism in the lungs and DVTs in the legs, which is the DVTs, which is from the clots, which goes from your leg to your lungs, which is called the pulmonary embolism. So I did run across that. I do have suctions, stockings on my ankle. Just pretty much, like I stated, in pain, trying to get through this the best way I can. I'll keep you guys updated on day 2 of the ventral hernia surgery. So pretty much just letting people know out there, whoever has to have it done, what are the steps of it all. The pain within itself is, well, for me, because everybody's body is different, but the pain for me is very painful. For me, it is. So that's why I have to be on 2 different pain meds. Each pain med is given every 4 hours. Like I stated, I keep you guys updated on what's going on. Thank you.
So I'm just gonna give you some heparin, okay?
All right. And my
I
question
mean, not
is,
heparin, some pain meds.
one of the questions. Look
You
at
already
you
made me
smiling for the
nervous.
camera.
You already made me
you don't have
nervous.
to be nervous. My question to you was pretty much, how do you like being a nurse? And can you explain to the people, like, pretty much what I had done and what's going on?
Well, that I cannot discuss with
All right, because
you.
the HIPAA law, right?
Yes.
Right.
But I can say that I just got you as a patient, and I'm already happy about that because you seem very pleasant. One of the reasons why I went into nursing is because I love making patients feel more happy and having less pain, because people go through life and sometimes when they have pain or when they're going through something so traumatic, not everyone can understand or believe them. And sometimes it just takes that one person to sit and understand your patient and actually do something about it. So I want to do something.
That's good. See, you don't have to be nervous, excuse me. But it just, it seemed like, so that was a passion of yours that you decided that's what you wanted to do.
Most definitely, yeah.
Okay, that's good. And how long have you been a nurse?
I am a new orientee, so I've been a student nurse for a year now.
Okay.
And I started in March.
And pretty much thus far since I had you, you have how can I put it? Your skills with people is good. I like to, when it comes to my nurses, I like to let management know how good the nurses is to, pretty much give it a thumbs up to the management. They tend to, I don't know if you guys do it, but when they do the meeting to where they switching shifts, have you ever heard of the hearts, to where you fill out the hearts, you let
I know some hospitals do that. I don't know.
Well, they do it here, like on the 5th floor and up. But I know when I asked another nurse, they said that they don't do it down here. But with you, what I'll do is I speak with your manager and let them know that that's right. You've been a great nurse towards me. Yeah. So I will let management know that. They tell me, a lot of nurses tell me that that goes good with, I guess, on the record or something. For
sure. Because everything is recorded, obviously, and everyone knows either if we're improving as in our nursing skills or if we're not. So everything is being documented. So as I'm with you today, and everything that I do, we have to make sure that we document from A to Z. Because if it's not documented, it's like it's not given or not done. So that's one of the major important things with being a nurse is documentation.
Okay, well, you came in, like I stated, with, I'm not going to say presentation, but you came in pretty much on point. Yeah. And I got to give you a thumbs up for that, and thank you so much. What's your name again?
Amina.
Amina?
Yeah.
Thank you again, Amina, for everything, for, I guess, the help out of it all. So you'll be dealing with me the most, or it'll be in between? Me. Okay.
So it'll be me mostly. So if you need anything, you hit that call late button, and I'll be here. I'll be here till, tomorrow morning. So 7:30.
Okay.
7 o'clock is our shift change.
Right.
So,
okay. So around 7, your manager should be here.
Yeah. Actually, it's midnight, I believe. That's if she comes, our coordinator.
Okay. And who's the coordinator on this floor?
Her name is Lisa.
Lisa, okay. Yeah. So I will be letting Lisa know. You're doing good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No problem. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome you. Welcome me. Back here today to pretty much let you guys know this is day number 3 from the ventral hernia surgery that I had. Let you guys know I am still a bit sore. Normally they let you go home the next day. Normally it's just like a outpatient surgery, but due to the fact of me having other health problems, I was kept for an additional 2 days. The steps, I developed blood clots in the midst of it. There are risks of getting blood clots during this surgery. Me personally, I already have a clotting disorder to where I clot a lot anyway. I am on blood thinners. I was on blood thinners way before the surgery, and I'm going to be on blood thinners after the surgery. The reason for me getting back on here again to let you guys know about the ventral hernia surgery within itself is, a lot of people are scared to get it. You do be up under general anesthesia. The surgery can go anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. It varies. That's how long that my surgeon had the operating room occupied. After the surgery, I was in recovery probably about 2 to 3 hours. I was in recovery. before I came up to my own room. From that point on, I was medicated. They had me on pain meds, which was IV pain meds, and also pain meds by mouth. At this time, I am being discharged, which that I stated. This is day number 3, which is May 23rd. Which is May 23rd. No, excuse me, May 24th. Excuse me. So, I will be going home also on pain meds. And take it from there. I will keep you guys updated on what happens on day 4 and 5. Thank you.